Hoverboard is on fire. What is going on, dude? Mom, get some water or something. It's on fire.
Put that on and then put some water on it. Sometimes water is off.
I am, Mom. The battery just shot out. Hoverboard on fire. Y'all see that? Don't get y'all kid to that. $500 down the drain. Just like that. Ma, it's catching on fire again.
I said, your dad is just sitting there watching it burn.
Done lit back up again. Cannot believe this, y'all. Hoverboarded out. Y'all see this? No more for me. Oh my God. Well, that's over with.
They're replaceable.
They better. I'm gonna die.
You can be selling them for bodily injury.
That's what I'm saying.